October 13th, mark this day in your calendar because this is the date where altcoins have bottomed. I will show you in this video why and which altcoin is gonna pump the most. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from My Crypto Paradise, and in this video I will show you exactly which altcoin is going to have the biggest gains in the upcoming weeks and why we think that the biggest probability is on the upside right now. So first of all, let's look at some index nobody else is watching right now. This index is basically calculating all the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So as you can see right now, we have been in a huge downtrend since around December 2021, right? So right now we are basically creating this kind of bottom formation, and as you can see right here, it's a textbook ascending triangle. Right now we are sitting at around $109 billion and we just have a fake out below this trend line and we pumped right back up. Today there was CPI minutes. We have been getting some new information that the inflation is getting higher, so this provided a lot of volatility and a lot of people withdrew their crypto in a fear of more losses. But what happened right after the CPI minutes? There was some volatile movement, and you can see that very nicely on Bitcoin. Basically, what happened? There was some volatile movement right here. If we go to 1 hour or even on 15 minutes chart, there was some volatile movement really today. There was some quick downward pressure. There was a lot of trap shorts here around this level and this level as well. There was a lot of time for these shorts to be opened. People were like, oh my god, this is gonna be like a black swan event, it will just keep dropping, right? And then there was this kind of wake. This is the another time window where another shorts were opened, and then we have started to liquidating and squeezing these shorts, and it was just 5% pump right now, and in my opinion this is not enough. I think we are about to see another at least 10% squeeze, all right? So to around this kind of level. Yeah, this is almost exactly at $21,000, which is an important resistance. There should be some recover pullback from here, but I think crypto is ready to see this kind of volatile movement to the upside, because these shorts just needs to be punished right here, and the whole time they have been accumulating here as well. So this is about Bitcoin, but from the altcoins perspective, you can see this absolutely beautiful fake out as well on altcoins, and because this is index which is excluding Bitcoin, and on Bitcoin we don't have this beautiful ascending triangle, but on this others index we do. So from our own opinion, this chart are telling us that altcoins will be performing much better than Bitcoin, and it's not just because this kind of index, but if you take a look at Bitcoin dominance as well, you can see that we are basically revisiting this strong resistance area here. It was previously strong support zone. You can see in the past it was acting right here, right here, right here, basically the whole time as a nice support area for the past almost a year, right? Then we dropped below this and now we are just retesting it, all right? So the support changed into a resistance zone, and basically from a very easy technical analysis you can see that this is a very important resistance, and if we don't see at least pullback to the previous low, so to around here, it's just not happening, right? Even if it's bullish, all right, and the Bitcoin dominance will continue to go up, all right? Some people may think that altcoins are so weaker than Bitcoin that this Bitcoin dominance needs to go higher and recover back to the highs again. Even then, we just need to go back down and create a lower low, okay? So here will be the maximum low, then lower low, because this resistance is really significant. It has been working as a strong support zone for a year, so you can imagine how really robust this kind of resistance gonna be. And we already saw here, if we zoom in a bit, we already saw some kind of testing of this resistance line, but we didn't even came close to it, or there is still some space. So what we are expecting from this right now is either creating a lower high right here and decreasing the Bitcoin dominance from here, and it aligns with the index of others, right? Because right here we are exactly at support, or we will be just consolidating here and flirting with this resistance before we see the pullback. Either way, it's very bullish for altcoins, okay? Very low probability that we just break through this massive resistance and continue to go up. It's very unlikely. And the other reason why you should not be just bullish on altcoins but on Bitcoin as well, so the optimal scenario which we are looking at is Bitcoin pumping while the Bitcoin dominance will be dumping, and this means that there will be a lot of new money going into the market. And because we can see that the dollar index is making another lower high, all right, and it keeps on dropping, and basically we are at these if you take a look at monthly time frame, you can see this huge resistance here, all right? So we have been retesting this area, and now we are getting some price movement from this already. We are getting some traction, people are seeing it, the smart people already reacting to it, and most of the other people will be reacting around here at this level once there is some significant losses in dollar. Right now everybody is scared from the stocks market, from the crypto market, and they don't know what's happening. They see dollar to be pumping, all right? You can see this parabolic movement, so you think that it's just gonna continue because everybody is telling you that crypto is just bearish and it's gonna go down Bitcoin to $10,000, which is purely from a technical perspective right now very low probability happening, very unlikely. So what you are looking at right now is this resistance on a lower time frame, on a 4-hour time frame. We are already making a bearish pattern, which is a lower high right here. We are respecting the resistance, all right? The higher resistance on the monthly as well have been respected right here. So we think we are just entering the downtrend right now, and if the dollar topped right here, the crypto market bottomed, all right? And if the crypto market bottomed and the altcoins analysis will play out, the best altcoin you should be buying right now is SHIB. It's a shitcoin, all right? But you need to understand that from a fundamental perspective, and if you take a look at sentiment and stuff like this, a lot of people, a lot of noobs have been buying SHIB aka shitcoin, because everybody just thought it will make them rich quick, right? So this price action, what we are having for the past few months right here, have been very frustrating for these people, and they don't understand that we are here at this important Fibonacci level, and you can get the Fibonacci level 0.786 on yourself. If you just take the Fibonacci retracement and you put the dot at the low, at the local low, and then you put it to the local high, right? So you get this kind of support zone, which is working right now very beautifully. We have been, this is on daily time frame, and you can just see how beautifully we have wicked on that, all right, and we have just pumped from this level, which is very strong. And from the technical point of view, where you are looking at your target, where we are looking at our target, and this support zone is not just about the Fibonacci level. You can see the huge accumulation we had at 2021 before the pump happened, right? And this accumulation area right here have been mistakenly described by many people as a distribution zone, and this is just wrong. This is a pure accumulation area, same on Bitcoin. And if you are looking at some great gains, if you want to basically leverage your crypto earnings, SHIB coin is right now something what we are looking at. And for the target, we are looking at the previous local high, which is for around here. All right, here is gonna be some important resistance so from the long-term perspective, we are looking at some 80% gain without leverage on spot, which is the safest option to trade the crypto right now. So SHIB coin, very interested. And if you want to, because on this market there will be much more better opportunities. The altcoins, if our analysis are right, just bottomed, and we will be picking up with our Paradise Family VIP, as we always do, the best fundamentally and technically strong altcoins. So we will be sharing with you some of our picks in our Telegram free channels, which you can join right now with the links in the description. So I will see you in the VIP, I will see you in the free channel right after watching the video. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, if you think this is valuable information, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.